Range Rover Evoque 2016 water leak found video. So let's just show you where the water leak is. Right, James has put a foam round, he's going to put in a compressed air on the inside and the foam is around the outside. So just going to force the air in the gap there gently. You see him going up there across the top. So it's sealed there, he's comfortable with that. And then he's going to quickly run around the other side. Ooh. So there's the air coming out, showing that the water can get in. So the screen needs to come out, and it needs to be resealed and put back in. And then James will show you the water under there, that it's absolutely sodden. The carpet needs to come up, and then the seat will need to come out because it will be wet all the way back. Obviously this car's slightly tipped forward while it's parked on the flat, so the majority of the water will be there if the car's parked on the flat, but if it's not, then it will be the full length. On this one it's likely it'll be the full length because it's being used, so of course it will be driving up and down as the water's going up and down.